Good morning, everyone. I wanted to point this out before I start getting lots of phone calls and questions and so on and so forth. So the new update that come out this week has got a slightly different numbering convention. Why Microsoft chose to do this, I'm not sure. The vast majority, if you just leave your computers on Tuesday night, Wednesday night, and the updates go through and you never really pay attention. But I've got some of you out there who are always watching and checking, especially they're watching for things that might be odd. So let me show you this so you can see it. Yes, this is a 20H2 update outside the normal numbering schematic that Microsoft uses. Usually it's like 1505 or 1708 or 1909, or the last one was 2002. So this one is now 2000 H2. Why they changed it, don't know, but it does appear to be an important update. Like I said, I went and checked, and sure enough, it's legit. So if you see this, most of you probably won't. It'll go through in the middle of the night for you, and your updates take about 10. This update averages about 10 minutes, it says, from what I'm reading. On modern computers, it will be either faster or slower depending upon your computer. If it does not install, though, definitely it should auto reverse out and then go back to normal, and it'll try again next week or whatever. But if it fails or locks up your computer, definitely give me a call and we'll get that taken care of. So, but yeah, this is a legit update. Don't be alarmed. Don't be concerned. If you look at your updates, like I said, through the control panel or through your security updates, and you come in here, you see this. Those who are in the business world, 9 to 5 people, I would say about 4. And if you see this pending of it, I would say about 4:30 today. Do the download and install, let it go through the process. Hopefully by 5 o'clock, when you're punching out for the day, you can restart your computers, and this will install. And of course, if there's problems tomorrow, you'll have to let me know, and we'll get you taken care of. Those who I have the capability of remoting into your computers because you're business clients and under contract with me, I will pop in and check those today to make sure those updates go through. But yeah, don't be alarmed when you see this one. This is a legitimate update. I know that's probably going to catch a little bit of people off guard because there's a letter in the middle of the numbering scheme. So yeah, let that one go through. I'm thinking my error message here is either I've got a problem with my computer I didn't know about, or most likely what has happened, it was just so many people downloading it, just didn't download it. So, but yeah, there you go. That update, if you see it, if you have the time to do it, like I said, you can either let your computer set and it should do it in the middle of the night like it always does. If you want to do it now, you can. Just remember, it does take on average about 10 minutes. However, each individual computer is a little bit different. So if you're sitting there for 30 minutes, I can't help it. So, if it's something you need to use your computer for on a time-sensitive matter, probably don't do this update until later. But yeah, just, it's normal. That one's fine. It's legit. Before you all start messaging me and calling me and asking me questions, it's legit. So, but yeah, just most of you guys will just let your computers do their normal thing and you'll be fine. For those of you who want to do it manually, you can click that button that says download and install and let it go through, and we should be fine. And if your computers aren't fine, here's my phone number. Give me a call. Tell me that your computer is acting stupid. We'll get you fixed. If you found the video useful, like, share, subscribe. If you don't have a Google account, you can find us on Facebook. Look in the video details below. There should be a little link that says see more for more information. But yeah, there you go. So you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later.